Sila berjihad. Sila uy katulo naman ko ana. Ako, ang cucumber bitaw, pwede man ani ang yapon ito snok. May tubig kung di pure ka. Lagis na paandar. Wala cool. Ako sila kabalo. Huwag mo siya gagamit. Wala kaya manday pa niya.
Kung doon mag-jam, bibili mo si mami ng ano po,
Each time I think I'm close to win, she keeps on throwing
Salod ko panghugas plato. Ito district.
floor cleaner na may mosquito repellent? Meron na!
DJ, can anyone learn
Now na jitlay.
or is it too late?
just like I said.
Ikaw na din siya karo. Siguro mo.
What's the term?
Ay, da jitlay di ay.
I said I like to think about the martial arts. There have three directions. When you support martial arts, you like to forget the chat. Second, they call it the entertainment. And then the movie, they play on the stage, and the other.
Hindi na pakalat.
For me, none of my championships or none of my accolades, they all mean nothing. It means nothing. My kids are my legacy, and I want to have, I mean, in today's dark ass world that we're living in, you can come out and have good kids, you know, and that I take a lot of pride in. I want my, when parents come to me and say, man, your boys are really respectful, man, that pumps my tires. For me, none of my championships or none of my accolades, they all mean nothing to me. It means nothing to me. My kids are my legacy, and I want to have, I mean, in today's dark ass world that we're living in, you can come out and have good kids, you know, and
Nagtatanong na kung may kasama na po. mamalimas.
K-drama lectures I used to love, but now I just can't watch anymore. Okay, first one might be controversial because technically his acting is not bad, but it also hasn't evolved in either. Like every role he has, it just feels like a variation of the same character. So something else is that the older you get, the less you're noticing small things like plastic surgery on actors. Now shouldn't be a big deal. Sorry, but to me, half of the years are a very noticeable, surgery.
Mami, sore!
Next. So, ito po siya, yung screenshots. Kung saan nakita si Snaplet at Maklato na naglalakad sa ibang business street, papasok doon sa dark portion. Ito yung dark portion na yan. Ito, this one. Dark portion na LRT. Okay. So, meron tayo CCTV dyan, paki-next po. So, ito po. So, dyan po nakikita po nyo.
Thank you guys for watching. Ubus ng palaya ko. Thank you so much. God bless. I love you. See you next video.